As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, there was no direct way to earn passive income from ChatGPT specifically. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it is typically used to provide information, answer questions, and engage in conversation. However, here are some ways people can potentially leverage ChatGPT or similar AI language models to create passive income streams. Content generation. You can use ChatGPT to generate written content for blogs, websites, or social media. If you have a website that attracts traffic, you can place ads or use affiliate marketing to earn passive income. Chatbot services. Integrate ChatGPT into chatbot platforms and offer chatbot services to businesses. Businesses may pay for the service, and you can earn a commission for each transaction. Online courses or ebooks. Create and sell online courses or ebooks that utilize chatgpt's capabilities in a specific domain, such as language learning or creative writing. ChatGPT plugins or applications. Develop applications or plugins that use ChatGPT to solve specific problems or enhance user experiences. Offer these tools through app stores or marketplaces. ChatGPT as a service. If you have the infrastructure to deploy and maintain ChatGPT at scale, you could offer access to the API or use it to power specific applications for other developers or businesses. Remember, creating passive income streams often requires upfront effort, continuous maintenance, and marketing to attract users or customers. Additionally, the use of AI models may be subject to licensing or usage agreements depending on the terms set by OpenAI or other AI providers. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the rules and terms of use before exploring these opportunities. Keep in mind that the landscape of AI and the policies around its usage might have evolved since my last update. It's always a good idea to check the latest information from the relevant sources and platforms to stay up to date with the possibilities and limitations.